voice with us tonight. Oh, come on, lift it up. Come on. Come on, stand to your feet. Lift your voice. Come on, let out of your spirit. Come on.
God, man just gave me a cup. But David says, he says, my cup runneth over. Come put something in this tambourine, run. I don't care what it is. Put something in this tambourine. Come on, put it in the tambourine. Come on, put something else in the tambourine. Come on, put something else in the tambourine. Come on and put something else in the tambourine. Come on. Yeah. Put something else. Put something else. Come on. Oh, these phones might break. Let's do this way. Come on, put something else in there. Come on, give me something. Give me something more. Give me something big. That's it. My cup. My cup. Come on. My cup. That's what I'm talking about. My cup. Come on. I shot that almost. Cup, but he cannot impose the limitations because what God has for me, he will put in the unexpected. Glory to God. He'll put in more than what he can hold. And so it says this, that if my cup overflowing, you got to get this picture, that if my cup is overflowing, my God, that now limitations have been removed. And so now that the cup has run over, then my stuff is beginning now to spill out. But it's not spilling out just anywhere. It's spilling out all around me. And God, it's spilling out all around me. Glory to God. And great restoration was limited. It has now reached my feet. It has reached the foundation of who I am. Glory to God. And my blessings are there. Somebody said that our blessings will overtake us. Glory to God. Glory to God. David is saying, come on now, that's what happens when the windows of heaven are open. Somebody say overflow. Come on, can you remember anything God done for you already? You got to remember. See, because David remembered all of that. And if you remember what God has already done for you, and you connect, reconnect, join yourself, clean your spirit, walk in a place of righteousness, then whatever he done, you already done started out in a good place. Because now you're on your way.
Oh, yeah. Come on. He responds to your moanings and your